Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And if you would, please share this video out. It would help my channel grow tremendously. And I would thank you very much. Y'all, President Trump told Steve Mnuchin to increase the budget higher than the $1.8 trillion, but do not go as high as the full $2.2 trillion that the Democrats are requesting. But at the same time, the Senate says they will not support spending over $1.8 trillion. So again, just hot air. The Mooch Man says that first, he prefers to try to pass the skinny standalone bill for $500 billion. Come on, Mooch Man. The skinny bill idea is over and dead. Get it through your thick skull. President Trump still says he will get support from the Senate. But the longer this goes on, the less likely it looks that it would happen. The less likely it would look to get a bill passed at all before the elections. And even if it is passed before the elections, I just do not see a stimulus check until after the election. Sorry, y'all. Just trying to keep it real. Nancy Pelosi still saying that her and Steve Mnuchin talks are very productive, and that the next stimulus package is coming and it will be bigger, safer, and retroactive. Let's just hope so, but I just don't see it. I don't see anything retroactive. The polls, they have Sleepy Joe in the lead by double digits. But Sleepy Joe's own campaign manager said the polls are deceiving and the race is very tight. This is coming from his own campaign manager. Now, if I was Sleepy Joe, the first thing I would do is find me another campaign manager. I, for one, don't believe in the polls at all, and I never have, and I probably never will. Because nobody has ever asked me, Walter, who are you voting for? So how do they know? I'm sure I'm not the only one. And even if someone did ask me, I would tell them it's none of their damn business. That's only my business. Y'all, if the Mooch Man was to get his way on the skinny bill, you could kiss the idea of a stimulus check goodbye, because it's not in there. President Trump said if the White House reaches a deal with the House Democrats, that the Republican Senate will get in line and back him. He's pretty full of himself. I don't know so much about that, especially the way the Mooch Man is talking about his skinny bill. But his skinny bill is not just skinny, it's anorexic. President Trump is still pointing fingers at China, saying it's all their fault and they will pay the COVID bill. I agree with him. It is their fault. It is their fault it happened in the first place. But it's our government's fault the way they handled it. So will China pay for the stimulus? For the COVID bill? just the way Mexico paid for the wall? But if that's true, and China does pick up the bill, then I have to ask, if China is picking up the bill, why can't we all have $2,000 a month checks from now until it's over, and retroactive the past 6 months? If they're going to pick up the bill anyway, what's the problem? I tell you what the problem is because Donald Trump don't believe this himself. He says it, but he don't believe it himself. Y'all, forget about China picking up the bill for COVID. It's not going to happen. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm really having a lot of problems tonight. Y'all, please check out my links in the description box below for the stun guns and my books. They are in there. I'm sorry, y'all. Also, please go check out my new channel. I will post a video to that channel at the end of this one. I'm sorry. Oh, that don't happen until I get on camera. But now, President Trump says that Nancy Pelosi is not agreeing to anything because she does not want to give him a win this close to Election Day, because that would make him look good. Nancy Pelosi replied by saying, the Republicans should move their offer up closer to the $2.2 trillion. Nancy Pelosi told her fellow Democrats that they have maximum leverage now. But the way I see it, since she has the power to block everything that's been proposed, and the president does not have any power to do anything, it looks like to me she has always had the power and the leverage to do whatever she wants. Y'all, this lady is pure evil. She is holding the American people hostage with her hate for the president. That's all it is in a nutshell. She hates the president so much, and she's selling the American people for her hate. The American people has lost everything. They have lost their homes. They have lost their jobs. They have lost their business. They have lost their loved ones. And she's living large on our dime. It's time to get her out of office. I wish they could forcibly remove her from office, but I don't see that happening. It's a good dream to have, but I just don't see it happening. I don't see that going anywhere. Y'all, please check out the links below for my new book. Also, check out the link for my stun guns, pepper sprays, and tactical knives. You might want to get that. If you don't, fine. But just remember, Christmas is coming up. And I need to tell y'all too, before I get away from here. If you plan on getting stun guns, tactical knives, or pepper spray for Christmas gifts, the whole week of Christmas I will be gone. I will be posting videos where I'm going. Me and my wife is taking a trip that my wife has always wanted to go on. She wants to go to California to spend Christmas with her family. So I'm making sure that that's going to happen. We will be spending Christmas in California. I will be taking my computer with me, and I will be making videos while I'm there. But as far as shipping stuff out, I won't be able to do that. So if you do order in that time, I will still get the orders, but just know you're going to have to wait for it. So if you want them for Christmas gifts or whatever, please order them early. Y'all, please check out the video that's going to be popping up here on the screen in just a minute if it hadn't already. It's to my other channel. Please subscribe to that channel. Let's grow that channel together. Also, we're going to have once we get monetized over there, and I've already got enough subscribers to get it monetized, but I got to work on the view hours, and that's where you come in. You go over there and watch those videos. That will give me the view hours that I need. When we get monetized, we're going to have a contest every week, and it will be something very nice. You will not want to miss out, and only subscribers can enter that contest. So y'all go over there and subscribe to that channel. And just know we're going to get out of this thing. I have total faith that we will. It's just a matter of when. It's all in God's plan. He's got the plan worked out for us, and we're going to be better off for it. We just have to keep our faith in Jesus Christ. It's a test. He's testing our faith right now. Keep the faith. You will come out of this on the other side better than you was before. I know that in my heart. I love you all. Till the next time, I don't know if I'll have another video today or not. It's according if anything major happens. And you know, here lately, nothing major is happening. So I love you all. So probably until tomorrow morning, ciao.